Welcome back to the channel. Today we have an installation for the GTR. Let me show you guys real quick what we have going on for the GTR. We have a couple packages right there. I will show you right now. I think we have the downpipes and we have the intakes, and we have a brand new steering wheel, carbon fiber for the GTR. That's gonna be the installation for today. Honestly, the carbon fiber steering wheel looks amazing, just how I wanted. Go follow the page Carbon Society. They were amazing, super fast, and they were able to get the steering wheel how I wanted. So do me a favor and go follow Carbon Society. They will help you out super quick and fast. Let me show you. So this is how I wanted the steering wheel for the GTR. Red line, carbon fiber, Alcantara, obviously Alcantara, airbag Alcantara, and carbon fiber over here. And also keep in mind they were able to provide the whole steering wheel, meaning buttons, everything is working, no problem at all. So basically we are going to be able to reuse these buttons and don't have any problem. I don't really like the paddle shifters, so probably we're going to switch those. We're gonna be removing my OEM. I'm going to switch these ones. Carbon Society was able to send me new ones. They're gonna be amazing. So for now we're going to be doing the steering wheel, my OEM buttons. So yeah, the only thing that we're gonna be removing is the airbag. Switch it over to the new one, and hopefully the steering wheel looks amazing. So that's what we have for today. Like I'm telling you guys, I am going to switch the pedal shifters because I don't really like the other ones. They look like a little bit worn out. So yeah, basically I'm going to swap everything. I will try to show you guys step by step. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to keep up showing you guys step by step, but I promise I will try. But yeah, other than that, this is going to give the GTR a new look on the interior. Let me show you. This is the airbag. So basically we need to put everything together, the new airbag and everything. As far as the pedal shifters, they're somewhere over here, and we can go ahead and remove those if I want to change them, because if you can tell, these look like, I don't know, they look a little bit weird. So we'll go from there. Yeah, I'll figure it out right now. So let's get into the video. And I would like to say thank you guys for the continued support. If you are new to the channel, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so we can continue growing. And I will bring you more content for the GTR. Keeps me motivated for those that subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. So that being said, thank you guys for all the support. Let's get to the video and install this carbon fiber steering wheel. Let's go. So before we start with anything, or if you are planning on changing your steering wheel, make sure to remove the negative from your battery and the positive if you want, just to, you know, keep it safe. But I just recommend to remove the negative. So that being said, be careful. Don't change your airbag while the battery is plugged, because this airbag might deploy on your face and you are going to be knocked the fuck out. So be careful with that. That being said, let's continue the video. Right now I went ahead and removed, let me show you guys, there are some little covers, plastic covers over here on the side of the steering wheel, if you can tell. So remove those, and there's going to be like a hook on the steering wheel. Push it gently to the top so that way it can release the airbag. Keep in mind, guys and girls, if you have a GTR, unplug the battery, because you don't want this airbag on your face and knocked out for, I don't even know, probably half an hour. So that being said, let's go ahead, move the cables for the battery and do this safely. So before we start with anything, or if you are planning on changing your steering wheel, make sure to remove the negative from your battery and the positive if you want, just to, you know, keep it safe. But I just recommend to remove the negative. So that being said, be careful. Don't change your airbag while the battery is plugged, because this airbag might deploy on your face and you are going to be knocked the fuck out. So be careful with that. That being said, let's continue the video. Right now I went ahead and removed, let me show you guys, there are some little covers, plastic covers over here on the side of the steering wheel, if you can tell. So remove those, and there's going to be like a hook on the steering wheel. Push it gently to the top so that way it can release the airbag. So keep in mind guys and girls, if you have a GTR, unplug the battery, because you don't want this airbag on your face and knocked out for, I don't even know, probably half an hour. So that being said, let's go ahead and remove the cables for the battery. Alright, sorry about the neighbor's dogs, they keep on barking, but yeah, I went ahead and put a rag. If for some reason this touches or anything touches, I have the rag and it's not gonna touch. So yeah, that being said, battery is unplugged and we are pretty much ready to go inside. And oh my god, those dogs, man, give them a bone or something. All right, so let's go here and release the hook that I'm telling you guys. Basically, you're gonna put this towards the hook, lift it up and release the airbag, and that way you can have access to the middle of the steering wheel.
One eternity later.
Alright, so it took me a while, honestly, because I lost my special tool that I had. So I had to work myself around. So basically I got something like this. Clip this into the spring and pull it up. That way you're gonna be able to free the spring and the other side. Now, don't forget you have a bottom clip. Basically you are going to put your flathead upward and it clicks. So that way you will have access to the airbag. So we have access to the airbag. Let me go ahead and remove all of this and we can start removing this steering wheel, as you can see. So let's start by unplugging all of this, and yeah, I'll show you guys when I'm done where the bottom spring is. But basically you press this to the top and it comes out. It's somewhere right there, if you can tell. So it goes through here. Let me show you real quick. So see, it goes through here, you unclip it. All right, let me see if I can show you. So you pull this up and it clips the airbag, if you can tell. All right, so pretty much let me go ahead and start removing all of this and we can start by adding the new steering wheel. All right, so we have some connectors. Don't forget, we always have a ground. So the ground was connected here. Already went ahead and removed it, so take that out of the way. And we have these two connectors. So we have a orange and we have a yellow one. So we are going to go ahead and remove them. So the way we're gonna remove them is unclip them from the back, unclip, and it should come out. So pretty easy, pretty much straightforward on these connectors. Get it from the back, that's what she said, and it should be able to come out. So that way we can release the airbag. And when you unplug this, you cannot go wrong about them because they have the specific color: orange, yellow with yellow, orange with orange. So you cannot go wrong about that. Remove this, and let me go ahead and remove this one, and then at the end we can go ahead and start working on the steering wheel. But I need to transfer all of the airbag into my new airbag. In order to change the airbag, it is going to be a pain in the butt. For this, I like an extra person so it can help you press on the airbag, and with the flathead remove all of these clips over here, because trust me, they are super hard to remove. So I went ahead, got an extra person, and we switch everything. All of the clips are there. I think I broke one here, but I mean, it is what it is. All of them are there except for this one. I don't think it's gonna affect anything, but pretty much airbag, it's ready to go. And look at this, it looks amazing. All right, ready to start removing the steering wheel, and we can swap the new one. All right, so we have, check it out so you guys can see better. So we have a couple plugs. So we have this one, remove it. We have this one, and you can go ahead and remove it. So basically we are ready to start taking the middle bolt, nut, however you guys want to call it. It's a 19 millimeter, so we are going to start removing that. So that's a 19 millimeter. Use your impact and we can remove the steering wheel, but not yet. Leave it on, so that way you can move the steering wheel around, so that way you can remove the steering wheel, because if you notice, it doesn't have any movement right now. And it's safe to put the nut over here, because, or the bolt, because whenever you're trying to take it out, that way it's not gonna hit you on the face. So I don't know if that explains, but you know, just keep it safe, leave it there. We're going to do this. And comes out easy. So hit it a couple times and you have your steering wheel out. Alright, so I went ahead and changed everything on the steering wheel. So basically I took my controllers from the original one. If you can tell this one, and if you tell this one, it's way different. I don't know, maybe that's a Japan version, I'm not sure. If you know about it, let me know down in the comments. And this one's different as well. So you can tell right here, this is my OEM. So I went ahead and changed everything to this steering wheel. We have all of the controllers, all of the plugs, everything. So those are from Japan, I'm guessing, and that's OEM. And we also have the airbag ready. So this is how the steering wheel looks now with my controllers. I didn't show all of the process on, you know, switching all of the controllers, because that's a lot of work, but you guys get the point. We switch everything and we are ready to go with the new steering wheel. Basically everything's ready to go. All of the plugs, cables, everything, just make sure you plug everything back. So for example, this one goes here. Just gonna plug it in. Yeah, I need two hands, but there you go, there's one. And then we have the other one over here, and then just plug everything back. So let me show you guys real quick. This one goes over here. Yeah, it's kind of hard with one hand, but just trying to show you guys. Let me plug it in and we go from there. Let me try it again. There you go. Okay, so there's that, and everything's ready to go. This is the ground, and this is for the airbag. All right, boys, pretty much done. Make sure to check the hooks right here. Make sure when you are installing the airbag, make sure that the hooks are down, so that way when you press down on the airbag, they lock in. So pretty much we are ready to go. Other than that, just put your plastics, these small plastics that they came with the steering wheel. I'm going to be taking off the steering wheel again, because Carbon Society sent me one of their pedal shifters, and they have LEDs. So whenever the car revs, you're gonna be able to see the LEDs on these pedal shifters, and they are magnetic. So whenever you click, you're gonna hear like a little click. So that's what we have. Either way, I'm going to take off the steering wheel again, but that's no problem. I think I already know what to look for and what not to break. Other than that, yeah, steering wheel looks amazing. Check that out. Brand new steering wheel, carbon fiber for the GTR. Alright guys, check it out. Steering wheel finally done. Damn, that looks amazing. Thanks to the company Carbon Society. I'll put the screenshot. You guys can go follow them on Instagram. God damn, look at that. Really simple install. The only hard thing that I had is changing all the buttons into this one, because I didn't want to use the other ones that they provided. I think those are from Japan, or I don't know. But we have my OEM buttons, they work. Everything looks amazing. Alcantara sides, Alcantara airbag, and carbon fiber all around with the red line. That looks amazing. All right, so it is time to plug in the battery. So hopefully nothing goes off like the airbag on the GTR. But goddamn, that looks amazing. All right, so let me plug everything back and let's just hope nothing happened. All right, guys, I wanted to take out the car and show you guys the steering wheel. Everything's working perfectly fine, so no issues at all. You know, I just want to show you like carbon fiber steering wheel. You know, going out for a quick drive, make sure everything is working perfectly. We don't have any airbag deployment or anything like that. So yeah, let's go back to the garage and then I'll end the video, and hopefully you guys were able to learn how to swap your steering wheel on your GTR. Let's go back home. All right, so here we have the AMS downpipes for the GTR. Basically we have everything right there on that box. We have the AMS manifold. I'm going to send it over, get it 24K gold plated. So that's that. We have this, and on the other box over here we have the E85 kit. Basically we're going flex fuel, and right here we have the AMS carbon fiber intakes. They are super light and honestly they look amazing. So yeah, these are the AMS Alpha, just like the intercooler Alpha as well. So pretty much we have the intercooler, intakes, downpipes, manifold, E85 kit. We have pretty much everything. I think all I'm missing is fuel pumps and injectors, and I think the car will be ready for a tune. Stay updated. Wheels are coming within 1 week, and then we can put some tires, and eventually the car is going to look a little bit better than what it is right now. But yeah, other than that, stay updated. Waiting on the wheels for the GTR, and we're going to be getting new tires as well. So basically the GTR is going to look different. So that being said, I'm going to end the video right here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys till the next one. Peace.